Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, before we move towards our today's lesson, let's give a look at previous lesson. In previous lessons, we've learned some vocabulary words, cardinal numbers, and something more. If you want to watch the previous lesson again, you can always go and click the link and watch lesson 20. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn colors names in Urdu. Alright, before we will do that, let's learn to say color in Urdu. So we say color in English, and in Urdu it is rang. Rang. Then for plurals or more than one color, we say colors. Colors. And in Urdu it is again rang. Colors, rang. Alright, and I hope that you do remember how to say to like in Urdu. Like in English and in Urdu it is pasand. Pasand. Alright, now let's repeat all these words one more time. In English we say color. In Urdu, rang. Then in English we say colors, and in Urdu, rang. Means the singular color is rang, and the plural is also rang. Then when we like something, or to like in Urdu is pasand. Pasand. Alright. Okay, now let's learn to say all these colors in Urdu. Let's learn the colors names now. In English we say red, and in Urdu it is surkh. Surkh. Then in English we say yellow, and in Urdu it is peela. Peela. Then in English we say blue, and in Urdu it is neela. Neela. Then we say black in English, and in Urdu it is kala. Kala. Now let's repeat all of these one more time. In English we say red, and in Urdu it is surkh. Then in English we say yellow, and in Urdu peela. Then in English we say blue, and in Urdu it is neela. In English we say black, and in Urdu it is kala. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn a few more colors in Urdu. In English we say pink, and in Urdu it is gulabi. Gulabi. Then in English we say green, and in Urdu it is hara. Hara. Then in English we say white, and in Urdu it is safed. Safed. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say pink, and in Urdu it is gulabi. In English we say green, and in Urdu it is hara. Then in English we say white, and in Urdu it is safed. Repeat many times for good practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say some sentences in Urdu. So we say, do you like yellow color? When we want to ask somebody about something, if they like something, maybe it's a color or it could be anything. So, for example, if we are asking somebody about the color and we are saying, do you like yellow color? So we say this in Urdu, क्या आपको पीला रंग पसंद है? क्या आपको पीला रंग पसंद है? We reply and say, if you do like the color yellow, so you will say, yes, I like yellow color. And in Urdu it is, जी, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. जी, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. And suppose you don't like it, so you say, no, I don't like yellow color. And in Urdu it is, नहीं, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद नहीं है. नहीं, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद नहीं है. Alright, and then we say, yes, I do in English. And in Urdu it is, जी हाँ. Then in English we say, no, I don't. And in Urdu it is, जी नहीं. Let's repeat one more time. Do you like yellow color? And in Urdu it is, क्या आपको पीला रंग पसंद है? Yes, I like yellow color. And in Urdu it is, जी, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद है. No, I don't like yellow color. And in Urdu it is, नहीं, मुझे पीला रंग पसंद नहीं है. Then we say, yes, I do. And in Urdu we say, जी हाँ. Then when we say, no, I don't. And in Urdu it is, जी नहीं. Repeat many times and practice more and more. Alright? Okay, so this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you into the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.